Dude, I'm dying so much. I thought this will be a good game. Hey, what is going on, guys? It's KEKO production here, and today I'm doing a you choose I use. Basically, you guys comment on my videos what loadout should I use in Phantom Forces. Today I'm doing a loadout made by Je suis une chaise. I hope I pronounced that right. He said Glock 18 with the compensator, stock, any sight, or AS-Val with the extended magazine and anything you want. So I'm just gonna do Glock 18 because AS-Val is already, overpowered with 30 round magazine and anything I want. So okay, so here is the Glock 18 with the stock, compensator, and the mini sight. I chose the mini sight because it really fits the look of the Glock 18. So let's go. Come here. Whoa, that was close. He almost knifed me. Damn. What the hell? What's the... I don't get the point of the Glock 18 stock. It still has a lot of people, like, look at that. Dude, I'm dying so much. I thought this will be a good gameplay. Let's try without the mini sight. Shit. No, it's not gonna be better. Oh my god. This game is just broken. Maybe this will be my first and last you choose I use video. Okay. No. Chill. God damn. It's just the game is really broken because there are health bugs. Like, you can shoot a player with the whole mag and he won't die. Thank God. Shit, I ran out of ammo. What should I do? Knife. Fuck. I can't play the game properly. I just don't know what to do. I'm sorry, whoever gave the idea for this loadout, but I don't know what I'm doing wrong. It's Glock 18 is just, I don't know. It's, oh god, it's just an emergency weapon. It's not like you can't use it. You can't really use it for, like, you know, pistol only or something like that. I don't know, I think I'm just bad, or this loadout just hates me. I need to get really close to the enemy. No, no, no. Oh, yes. Okay. Someone please tell me what the fuck is going on. Oh my god. Oh. Yep, this game is just broken. I don't know what to do. How is that even possible? Actually, it is possible. It's M4A1 and this is... Oh! Oh my god. You know, I've actually never... I've never actually loved this game. It's stupid. It's retarded. It's just... I don't know what to say about it. It's stupid. Actually, I only loved the beta Phantom Forces. That was the shit, man. Like, that was the best Phantom Forces ever. Right now, it's just Broken Forces. Hey, that will be a good name for this game. Broken Forces. Because everything is just broken. Oh no. Oh, okay. Yep. Are you sick? Ah! Oh my god. What the fuck? You can't shoot through ladders. Yep, I ran out of ammo again. What the fuck? All right. Okay, I can't do this anymore. This game is just it's broken. I don't know what to say about it, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. I did really bad this time. I'm really sorry. Don't forget to comment another loadout. I will put this loadout as the shitty loadout, and for some, I know for some people it will be like the most overpowered loadout, but for me it's just not. Thank you for watching, and I hope we'll see each other next time. Stay awesome and have a nice day. Goodbye.